A castle full of cats. By Ruth Sanderson. Once there was a queen who kept a castle full of cats. Meow. She loved the pretty ones, and the plain ones, the sweet ones, and the brats. The cats were spoiled and pampered. They were the queen's delight. They dined on fish breakfast, lunch, and dinner every night. The cats had her affection. They knew this to be true. But they had to find a way to win the king's love, too. They tried their best to please him in oh so clever ways, and left him charming little gifts to brighten up his days. They raced him down the hallway. They scampered down the stairs and beat him to the parlor to warm his favorite chairs. The king loved art and music, so the cats each did their part, composing lovely serenades and making works of art. They sorted through his papers and studied every book, determined he would love them no matter what it took. In spite of all their efforts, they weren't his choice of pet. "They're only being cats, my dear, no need to get upset." But the king had lost his patience. "That's it! I've had enough!" He dropped his spoon, he grabbed his cane, and he marched off in a huff. The queen peered out the window. Cats perched on every chair. They watched and waited many hours. And then the king was there. Is this the end to all our games? The end to all our fun? Or could it be? Quite possibly. Yes, the games have just begun. Oh, what a perfect present. And they finally knew there was no longer any doubt. The king did love them too. The end.